Hi, welcome my channel. Latkan new latest design fabric saree combination fabric using and wall design stone work adding the stone blouse latkan design lehenga design back dhori designs. Don't skip video stonework and downside bead shading is round shape stitching of and turning the piece adding the star dhori side stitching and top side stitch roughing the stone balls turning the piece umbrella ball latkan design. Please like and comment, subscribe please my channel. Blouse maroon color, saree blue color, round neck blouse and adding the saree color lace neck design and latkan design using the white beads latkan. Thank you all watching. Don't skip video.
Please subscribe my channel,
Please like and share.
Thank you all watching.
Thank you all.
Don't skip the video.